once upon a time.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you this makeup look which is inspired by Disney princess Cinderella, and I am really loving this look, these earrings, this gown, and I really hope you guys have curiosity to know how I get this look. So if you have that curiosity, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so make sure your skin is clean, it is hydrated. So let's move on to primer now. For primer, I'll be using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It is an amazing primer. You guys have seen me using this primer a lot. Again, as I say, you only need to prime the problematic areas, and it does a wonderful job. It works great on my skin. Next, I'm gonna color correct the hyperpigmentation, all the marks that I have, the dark circles, everything. And for that, I use a concealer which is a shade darker or the exact match of my skin tone. I have shown this trick several times. I don't know whether you guys have tried this or not, but this trick, it really works. Now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with this Forever 52 foundation stick. For that glowy and dewy skin, I am going in with this Plum facial oil. You know I cannot skip this step. Now taking my flat foundation brush, I'm just gonna blend my foundation. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild concealer. And now to set my concealer in place, I'm gonna use this Bharat and Doris loose powder, and I'm gonna dunk my beauty blender into this, pick it up like this, that's it. And I am not gonna set my entire face because I want this dewiness. So I'm just gonna set the areas where I get creasing, like my under eyes, which I have already done. Then my smile lines. For smile lines, you need to stretch your face like. Now for contouring, I'm gonna use this Maybelline V Face Duo Stick, and it is a beautiful contour shade. I really love it. So I'm gonna do cream contour first, and then I'm gonna cover it with the powder contour as well.
Wow. Why am I so careless when it comes to, just keeping my makeup in place?
Let's get working, and I blend it upwards. For blush, I'm gonna go in with this Miss Claire ka lipstick, and using the same brush, just gonna, wow. So I have merged it with my contour, and princesses, Disney princess Cinderella, they have all flushed pink cheeks. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with this Swiss Beauty ka eyebrow kit. Alright, so my brows are done, but for that sharp and edgy brow look, I go in with a concealer, like my brightening concealer, and I just carve my brows with this. And now I blend it using the same concealer brush. And there you have it. Like, look at this difference. This is looking so sharp and precise, and this one is looking flat. So this is what I'm gonna repeat here, and we'll see you back. Alright, and now for my eye makeup today, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild palette. This is super affordable, and I am in the shade Rose in the Air, and it has all these beautiful pretty neutral colors that I will be needing for this look. And these are the only two brushes that I'll be needing, a blending brush and a flat blending brush. I'm gonna go in with this transition color. So I'm just gonna work this color above my crease like this. Perfect. And now for my lids, like to highlight them, I'm gonna add this concealer first. Golden silver foil kind of shadow. And what does the princess look without the glitter? So I'm gonna add these silver glitters because it is gonna match my outfit. And now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna pick the same transition color. The idea behind the lower lash line makeup is just to make my eyes look bigger, like just to give it that illusion. Perfect. And now I'm gonna add white kajal. Alright guys, so now when my eyes are done, I'm gonna do the contour and the blush part. For contouring, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Cup palette. And now for blush, I'm gonna use this Kali Kissed Smashbox palette. It has very pretty blush shades. So I'm gonna mix this coral and pink color. And from the same palette, I'm gonna pick my highlighter. And now for the finishing look, I'm gonna use this lipstick which is from Gerard Cosmetics, and I am in the shade Hydra Matte Serenity. So this is a very pretty princess kind color, and I am gonna add lip gloss after this.
A normal small town girl.
Alright guys, so this is the final result, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you found this tutorial helpful. So if you like this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share this video because definitely it took me a lot of effort and hard work to create this video. If you have any other query or recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.